Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make feathers. I'm making mini feathers, but you can use any of these 3 techniques to create larger feathers. If you'd like to learn how to create a large feather and/or a multi-feather wall hanging, please see the description for links. The materials you will need for this project include 3mm single strand twisted cotton string, a pet brush and/or a comb, and scissors. Cut 3 pieces of string, each piece is 20 inches long. Fold each piece in half and tie an overhand knot about 1 inch down from the top. These 3 pieces will act as the middle spine of the leaves. For the first leaf, we will use square knots. Cut 14 pieces of string, each piece is 8 inches long. Fold 1 piece in half and place it under the center piece. Fold the second piece in half and bring it over the center piece. Bring the ends through the loops on both sides. Repeat 6 more times. Tie an overhand knot with the 2 center cords at the bottom of your leaf. The second method uses overhand knots to create your leaf. Cut 12 pieces of string, each piece is 8 inches long. Place the string underneath the centerpiece and tie an overhand knot. This will be the back of your feather. Repeat that process 11 more times. Tie an overhand knot with the 2 center cords at the bottom of your leaf. The third method uses cow hitch knots to create your leaf. Cut 10 pieces of string, each piece is 8 inches long. Make a cow hitch knot around the center piece. Fold the piece in half and place the fold underneath the center piece. Bring the ends through the loop and place the string on the left side. Repeat on the right side of your work. Repeat this process, adding cord on the left then the right until you've used all of your cords. Brush out your string with a pet brush and/or a comb. Brush and trim your leaves until you've created your desired shape. If you are finding that your feathers are losing their shape when they are hung, you can either add felt to the back or use an adhesive spray. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thanks so much.